Hello everyone, welcome to Mom in Tech. Alright, so today we'll be learning how to clean our data using Excel. Basically, what you want to do first when you're cleaning your data is to first really understand what is needed of your data. Alright, don't forget to subscribe and like. Let's dive into it. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is to change the format of our month because I really want it to be spelled out and not in the numerical format it is. So what I do is use the formula text, click on the cell where we have 1 month, comma. I'm sorry, you now use the asterisk 29, then you use the comma, after which you use the after which you put your MMMM, you put the format in a closed what's the word now? You understand? Okay, so it has changed to the month that we want. So we just change the column heading, the name of our column. So the next thing I want to do is basically to check for spelling errors, and you see where there is space ZZ tree and they give us a suggestion. So what you do is just click on it and change. So basically what you want to do is click on the column, highlight the column you want to check for spelling errors, and then when they indicate that there is an error, they'll give you suggestion. You click on the suggestion that you feel is fitted for whatever you want to do, and you change. So in this case, I think I made a mistake while I was doing it. I didn't change all, so you can still see the PZZTRY, but you can actually just change yours. All right, so the next thing I did is also to check the spelling error, if there is spelling error in my city, in the column where I have my city. All right, okay, so as you can see, he said I'm good to go. Now when I was using these cells, if you're to check it in pivot form, instead of it to give you can't sum it up, you can only count, and that is what I don't want. So what I did is, instead of it's going to waste my time, instead of just deleting it, I decided to, even while I formatted, you'll still see the change. This is just me formatting here, right? But then even with the formatting currency, me formatting the currency, it still didn't change. So I'm going to show you the next step I did, because I used pivot table to check on some things and it wasn't giving me what I needed. So this is me searching for the currency needed. Okay, I think I found it. All right, so you see how it is, right? And I reduced I actually reduced the decimal. Okay, so what I now did is just to create another column for sales, but this time around I just put the number and then it will autofill. I just decided to autofill, flash fill. Sorry, I think that's the word. I did a flash fill. So if you do autofill, it will just give you the same number as the first one, which is not what I wanted. Okay. So basically I had to do a flash fill, which is what you should do also. Okay, so I think I made a mistake in the first one. It's supposed to be 365. It's giving me I think I typed it wrong. All right, so we did a flash fill already, and sales, but I already made a mistake in the first one. So just so you know that there is a mistake already. Thanks for understanding. But your clients won't understand, so it's better for you to just watch and really take your time as an analyst. I think that's the basic thing, so you can spot the difference between the actual column and the newly created column. Normally this is how it is supposed to be. Currency is supposed to be a bit distant from the numbers. All right, so the next thing I want to do, I need the quarter, because the question that the client gave is they want to understand the quarter, the sales by quarter, and I need to. So what I did is just to join my months and my year together, because that's the only way I could get the quarter. All right, so what I did is still I used sorry. Okay, so I used text. When you click it, it brings out you put it in bracket, then dated. Sorry, then you add your date, then the year, comma, then you go to the month. Okay, then you add your comma, then one, close the bracket, then you put comma again. Sorry. Okay. Um Basically it's a pop-up came. I need to correct. Okay. All right. So I just put the format is going to be month and year. And basically it gave me the month and year. And now I need to insert a new column. Yes, don't forget to also give it a name. So I inserted a new column to actually get to now start working on my quota. So that is what I created, and then I just use the equal to the formula I'm going to be using here is because I want it to be Q, capital Q. Sometimes some people want it to be the full spelling of the quota, but I just want it to be Q, so I'll just use the equal to and the Q, and use the and sign and round up. Okay, so when you do that, you round up month, then another bracket, then you click on the column where you have your date, then you close, then the slash 3, comma 0, then close. So it gave me Q1, but if you want it to be quota, like the full spelling, instead of just using the capital Q, you can just spell it out. All right, so the next thing I want to do is just to format my column, to number. It was in general before. Don't forget to always format. Okay, I'll do another video where I checked for duplicate. All right, so basically that's all. Thank you for watching.